so this is part 2. I just ate lunch. So, I'm done taping this. And so, I'll get paper. I'm back. Here's the paper.
King Studio,
Okay.
sigurado ha, pag naka-jackpot ito, tatlo sa inyo, may panalo ng 5,000!
Oh!
Ang sabi niya ay pataas.
Ito. Okay, there. Here are the tape, but I hope it's not ugly. Okay, so I'm going to put the top. Oh, I need to put the top. Okay. I need to see you guys in part 4. Bye!